Hello, my name is N Sagir, 19 BCN 7148. So, let me explain about the Python practical solutions. In this video, we will learn about the code of the Python by using the PyCryptodrome. So, PyCryptodrome is a fork or evolution of PyCrypto, but it is not a no longer exists in development and also reported as the security issues, but you can check it in the previous versions. You can find it in the internet. So PyCryptodrome brings here several security engagements to the PyCrypto library. So in our project we are going to use it. So with the EES or AES or advanced encryption standard skipper to encrypt text. So AES, however, is a very fast and secure for the symmetric encryptions. AES is a 128-bit keeper with the key lengths of 128, 192, and 256, depending on how you are taking with the project. So we will learn about each field. So let me type the code and explain it briefly. So this is my code, and yes, this is my code. So import Johnson. This is a JavaScript notation. This is the JavaScript notation we can find anywhere. So it is an encoder to decoder. Like Johnson is the JavaScript object orientation specified by RFC, and we will observe the interchange format inspired by the JavaScript object and the syntax. Although it is not restricted or anything. Like, and coming to the base 64 or base 64 import 64. So these has the base 64 and base 32 and also the base 85. So these modules provides the function of encoding binary data to the printable printable characters and decoding such coding such as binary data. It provides encoding and decoding functions for the encoding specified in RFC. So there are different types which can be defined. There are base 16, base 32, and base 64 algorithms for 500, and used here as the base 32 64, and from the crypto cipher import AES. So random import. So here these are the libraries I can choose it. And my data key is my secret password, Saket Reddy length SKASK. So this is my 64 bit, like this is my 60 sorry 256 bit, 256 bit I used it here. And yes, 32 into 8 has been, oh, that is 32 into 8, yeah. So here we can find it as a 256 bit and cipher AES now key. So this is the AFB mode. If you want to in ECB or a CBC or CFB, you can go through to it, and you can have the open PGP mode also. So CD bytes and 64 encoding. So 64 encoding is a variable bytes which code the using of base 64 returns to the bytes object. Optically, it is a application and you can find it. So I am taking here the result Johnson dot dumps. So we can change it like Johnson dumps and loads. So there are different notations, there are different things which we will learn. And when it comes to dumps, it was taking the key that is 9 in Saket Reddy 19 BCN 148 and 4 and this one. So you can see the result of encryption. So I am showing you the encryption of result. So this is yeah, I run it, and the NSAKIT 19 BCN 7148. The code is the encrypted code is this. So you are thinking about uh, the decryption. So the sorry, this is NSAKIT ready and God. Yeah, 19 BCN 7148, and you can describe with this. And we using the try and except method in this. And b64 is the previously I used the b64 encode, and you are going to use the b64 decode. So here I am using the b64 decode that can decode the coding part, and same we are used here and here. So we can print what we want. Like I am again printing this, yeah. Yes, here you can find the number. So it is very simple to understand, and it is a 64-bit. As I said, there are 85, and I'm saying it again. So 1 minute. This is about 64, 85, and something like. Uh, so you can find it here, the PyCryptodrome 39.9. So I installed and aggregated with you, and earlierly I show you the encryption part and decryption part. So we are going to use Python and Python. So PyCryptodromex. So it is not PyCryptodromex, it is a PyCryptodrome. So yes, thank you, thank you.